Hello investors, traders, welcome back to another video. Today we will try to trade live, waiting for the news release. We have data release today. The economic calendar has some important releases, such as the GDP and goods trade balance, which are they play a big role in the volatility of the market in both the forex and the futures market. So we'll wait and see. So as you can see from the chart, we have the USDJPY on the 15-minute. So yesterday was a decline in the price of the USDJPY, and early in the morning in the Asian session, the price started gaining some gains, trying to get back to a bullish movement, but there is some resistance going on here, because I think the price is gonna drop again, since the GDP forecast is not showing strength, not showing any improvement. On the contrary, it's showing some weakness, because before it was 4.1%, forecast is 2.2. Normally, the higher the number is, the better is for the US dollar. Higher than expected reading should be taken as positive, bullish for the USD. So, and here we have also another forecast number, 3. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the number is gonna be lower than this forecast figure that is shown here. I don't know why it is already given actual, that is previous, not actual. There is a mistake here, but anyways, we'll just wait and see what's gonna happen. As I told you before, you should watch this candle, the last candle before the time of the news release. Watch closely its behavior and see how it behaves and how it moves. If it keeps moving like down, giving us a red candle, that's an indication that the market, the news are going to be positive, negative. sorry, if they are like if this candle is keeps moving down before and it closes before the beginning of the new candle, because the time by the time of the news release, the candle is gonna be very volatile, very fast. This way, either this way down or upward. But if this candle keeps getting green color and moving higher, that means the news are going to be positive, and the US dollar is gonna like fly high. So we wait until the three last 3 or 2 minutes, so we can decide and enter our trade. Yeah, this is natural gas. Mm. Uh, so as you saw yesterday, I forgot to show you something. Actually, there is a correlation, a negative correlation, not positive, between the US dollar, S&P, gold, and BTC. So yesterday, there was a drop down in the US dollar that caused the Bitcoin to fly high, to explode higher. You see, this is very, very, very important to know, because for the people who trade Bitcoin or gold or S&P, you see what happened yesterday. This move for gold, S&P, and Bitcoin, and also for the BNB, for the people who trade Binance currency. It was a beautiful bullish move, just almost one candle that made people a lot of profits if they knew how to trade that one. Trading the news may be tricky sometimes and risky, but if you know how to trade properly, that moment, that very moment, that's gonna make you a lot of money. Trust me. So we should have a closer eye on the news. We still have 5 minutes left. By the last 3 or 2 minutes, we will make our decision. And uh, actually, this one was released earlier, like 15 minutes ago. And that was, I don't know what that is, ADP, non-farm employment change. That was negative. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive bullish for the USD, but this one came negative, came in red. So, but it didn't have, I mean, a huge impact on the US dollar, so it's not really important. So our focus is gonna be on the GDP Price Index and this one as well. Well, sometimes it's different from what you see here. Normally, this is the the correct one, the most accurate one. But when you click on the title of the news release, the economic calendar, it gives you something else. So forecast 3%. Here we have forecast 2.2%. Also here we have forecast 1.8, and here we have 2.4, which is kind of strange, but so now let's have a closer look. Yeah, since this one is pushing higher, I think, yeah, this is gonna be positive. So I'm gonna buy and take profit right here, or even here, and our stop loss is gonna be here. Yeah, for pips or for contracts, and gonna put a trailing stop at 120. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, since it's moving higher, that means they know that the big guys, big institutions, they know that the news release is gonna be positive for the US dollar. Yeah, let's see. So for people who trade gold, if the US dollar is positive, the gold is gonna drop. Yep, let's go. Okay, turned out to be negative. Not sure. Uh-oh. Yeah, yeah, it turned to be negative. So we lost almost 500, but no big deal. We can recover that. You always have to put your stop loss so that you don't lose much. This is the level I'm looking for. Yep. Yeah, the US dollar is dropping. Still waiting for the, yeah, negative, as you can see, but we're still waiting for the GDP Price Index. That's gonna be in red as well. Yeah. Breaking news: U.S. private payrolls rise by. Yeah, this is this one, which is negative. Yeah, so all the news today were negative, and we will have our USD JPY drop in as well. Let's have a look at natural gas. I think natural gas is gonna like move higher once it breaks this level. It should go continue moving higher. And this level is gonna be target. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but it's moving higher. $85 trailing stop. Yeah, we'll wait and see. 'Normally, I don't focus on GDP news, or I mean those minor economic calendar uh, uh, datas.
Stop filled.
I mainly focus on like CPI, PPI, especially CPI and uh, the federal bank decision, which are very important. Also, non-farm payrolls, which are very beautiful to trade if you know how to trade them. Yeah, the natural gas is not moving. Volume is not waking up. Also, the standard deviation is not showing any momentum. Yeah, as you can see here, all the major news were, negative. So also the goods trade balance was negative as well, and this will impact the US dollar, of course, for sure. So we have to be patient. Anyways, today the, the data release is not that volatile at all, but it is giving us an indication that the market is gonna move down. That we will have to wait. Well, this is it for now. I'll keep you informed. So stay tuned and talk to you later. Take care.